Oh my god! Yay! Tummy times are good, right? Look, you can do it! You're so strong!
Lakas-lakas na ng baby, sabi namin ah.
Look, you can do it. Wow! Oh my god, we need to record this.
Tummy time niya ngayon mga pre. So, ayan, para ano, ang tawag dyan? Para ma-exercise yung, yung neck niya.
Oh my god, you're so strong. Look here.
So parang 2 minutes lang yan, di ba? 2 minutes lang. Ay, tapos ka na kumain. Ang bilis mo ah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Sometimes my stomach hurts because I eat too fast.
So, ayan, yung kinakain namin ngayon, kung naaalala nyo yung dumplings, yan yung kinakain namin ngayon. Napagod ata siya.
Yeah.
Huh?
Break time muna.
Break time. Tapos mamaya, aangat uli yan. Ayan na. Pero sabi nung unang niya mga pre, ilang araw pa lang siya, newborn. Sabi ng mga nurses sa kanya, lakas daw talaga ng neck niya. Kaya niya talagang galawin yung ulo niya saka yung neck niya.
But if you compare her first days when we started tummy time, she couldn't do that.
Anong unang tummy time niya? Hindi.
She was crying.
Ngayon hindi na siya umiiyak, no? Lakas na niya eh.
Wow. Strong. Yeah.
Parang parehas kayo ng kulay ng buhok. Ay, hindi. Ikaw sabi mo, di ba medyo may pagka-blonde ka nung baby ka rin?
Yeah.
So, siya hindi. So, ibig sabihin, lang siya, brown lang yan.
How can she become blonde? It's impossible.
Bakit ikaw? Paano ka naging, sino blonde sa inyo?
No, when you were born, your hair is really light. On foreigners, don't know on Filipino, on Asians.
No, pag Asian talaga, like Filipino, like itim na itim talaga yung buhok.
When you were born, you have light hair, then it's getting darker. If she wants attention, she's like,
Iba yung iba yung attention niya kasi minsan, yung gusto niya ng attention, yung gusto niya, kahit hindi buhatin, yung gusto niya lang nilalaro mo siya dyan. Iba yung iyak niya, napansin na namin yun, iba yung iyak niya sa attention, iba yung iyak niya na may problema talaga. Kaya pag nakita namin yung iyak niya na parang yung putol-putol na iyak, gusto niya lang ng attention talaga. Tapos pag kinakausap mo na siya, kala mo naiintindihan kami, siguro naiintindihan talaga kami, tumatahimik na siya.
Siyempre, she hears the voice of her magulang.
Siguro yung boses ko, parang parang anghel sa kanya. Ganun ba yun?
As you can see, mga kapre, these latest vlogs, I was like low energy, not even talking, nothing. I was like silent. It's because I was still recovering. I'm still recovering now, but already feeling better, already now more energy, but still recovering. It just takes time. Pero na yun, medyo okay na. I'm already better, much better than before. And I already sent even Eugene to pick up my order. I also order Turks. Like I want something yummy. They said to eat something yummy if you want. So I ordered Turks because that's what is yummy for me. And there is something that I noticed, mga pre, na parang differences sa Filipino and differences sa my bansa people, like my country. Kasi here in the Philippines, people, when they will know that you naganak, the first thing they will say is like, oh, sino kamukha? It's kamukha like this, looks like that, sino kamukha, ano itsura. Like everything about itsura. Pero in my country, even my family, they only ask is like, how is the baby feeling? Is it healthy? And everything like that. Only about health, but nothing about itsura, nothing about looks. No, that's the really two differences. That's the really differences I noticed from Philippines. Kahit Eugene's friends and relatives, when they naganak, the first thing that people ask is, ano itsura? Like, sino kamukha? Like, how does it look like? Only itsura matters. Parang ganun. Maybe that's in Asia. Maybe that's really talaga Asia.
Ewan ko sa gano'n sinasabi mo.
Because in my bansa, there is no like that. Parang they will not ask first. It's like, oh, sino kamukha? Ano itsura? It's only like, is the baby healthy? How is the baby? Just like that. They will say, oh, the baby is cute, the baby is pretty, but not much basing on itsura. Did you also notice that?
Ano yun?
That Filipino people like to, when you naganak, Filipino people like to say, sino kamukha? Ano itsura?
Yeah, it's normal here in Philippines. What they will ask, that's how they will ask first. Kunwari, may nanganak sa amin. Ang laging unang tatanong, sino kamukha? Sino kahawig ni ganito, kahawig ni ganyan.
Siyempre, it will be kahawigan. Yeah, dalawang magulang.
Yung kulay ni ganito, yung ganyan, yung mata, yung buhok, gano'n. So, yun yung unang laging tinatanong. Kahit naman siguro, di ba, pag nagbabatian, ang unang pinapansin, physical appearance.
Ah, yes! Ganun talaga.
Pumapayat ka na. O, ba't na nangyari sa itsura mo? Ganun. Hindi ko alam. Parang naging... Ewan ko, naging ganyan na yung culture ng Pilipinas kapag may nanganganak. Ganun. Sa inyo kasi, di ba, iba?
But it's like weird. Don't need to pay so much physical appearance attention to the baby. Especially it's so maliit, it will grow. You don't know how it actually will look like. Of course, it will look like magulang.
Sabi kasi nila, kapag bago daw panganak, lahat daw ng cravings ibigay. Kasi nagkakaroon daw ng emotional something.
Damage.
Emotional damage!
Sa inyo, sa mga asawa nyo, sa mga hindi rin nakakaalam, kasi sinabi lang naman sa amin yun. Kapag may gusto ko, anumang gusto, kahit anong gusto ng asawa nyo, nagkikrave ng asawa nyo after na mga anak, ibigay daw lahat. Kahit sobrang mahal. Basta sa tabi, ibigay daw talaga. Kailangan daw masatisfy nila yung cravings nila.
I'm also watching Netflix while nagbabantay for the baby. I'm watching Netflix or sleeping or reading or cleaning. Don't know what to do pa.
Pressure ko lang sa inyo. May face si baby na pooping face. Ayan, pooping. Ay, hindi ganyan.
No, she stopped.
Sige, mamaya na lang uli. O, gising na yan. Wala na? Ano, can you get me my camera? Oh, ayun na nga. Hani, baka lactose siya. Kaya siya natatae. Di ba? Okay na? Tapos ka na? Hindi na siya umiirim. Okay na siya. Kanina kasi di kumikilos eh. Naka-straight lang siya eh. Okay na. Nakatulog. Nakita ng diaper mamaya pa. Baka may pahabol ka pa eh. Maya palitan kita ha. O nakaganyan ka na naman.
Dinner time na yon, mga pre, and I have balak to make siomai. Where is my siomai? Wait. This is very yummy siomai from Dek. And we have bought this special stuff for siomai. Like real Asians. And I have no idea how to use it. So I'm gonna try it. Steamer. This is a steamer, but I don't know how to use it. I think we need to put parchment paper and then like in a big kawali and steam it. Now is a good time for me to do that because our baby's sleeping. Actually, she needs to be awake, but he needs to be awake and play. But Eugene said 5 minutes and he will play with her, so I have time to make some dinner. And Eugene is busy with our vlog editing. I don't know why always in dilim. Are you vampire?
I don't know, I like this dim light. While I'm editing, why?
Parang vampire ka?
Bakit ikaw kasi maliwanag. Kasi baliktad tayo, di ba?
Before I wanted darkness. Now I want maliwanag.
Baka mamaya na-adapt ko yung gusto mo. Kasi dati...
Before I wanted always to be dark in the house, no lights, everything dim. But ngayon, because I don't like ngayon evenings, I don't know why.
Nagbago ka dahil nung nanganak ka.
Yeah, I want like bright, like butterflies whole day, maingay, like that.
Alala ko, mahilig talaga ako sa liwanag. Pag tulog ako, hindi talaga ako sanay ng madilim.
Yeah.
May ilaw pag natutulog ako.
Yes, and remember, whenever I'm in the room, you will come and turn on the lights.
Oo nga.
Ngayon, I'm like
Bago
that.
lang lahat nung dumating si
Okay,
Gina.
ngayon, different ka na. Hindi, ganun dapat.
Pero bakit? I compromise so much. Diba?
Yeah, you have
Imagine,
no choice.
honey.
No, I'm joking.
No, imagine, yung halos buong buhay ko, talagang pag natutulog ako, may ilaw. And then you came to my life. Ngayon, hindi ko na pwedeng gawin na bukas yung ilaw kapag natutulog.
I took your elo. From your life.
Yeah, that's what happened. We're always fighting before. But then I realized I cannot win.
I'm glad you realized. Thank you. Honey, do you think it's correct? Look, I put this. And then we will put this, and then we will put it in kawali.
Sino nagsabi?
Hindi ko alam. I just saw it when we went to eat in this Ding Tai Fu.
Saan mo nakuha to?
Ginupit ko.
Sigurado ka? Alam ko hindi.
Di ano.
Di ba yung siomai may kanya-kanyang yun, parang papel na?
Wala na. Ito wala. Hindi wala.
Ito baka wala.
I will hold?
Try.
I will cook all.
Sige.
Time for the plate, baby.
Okay,
Like a cake. Hindi ko alam kung talaga ito the way. I think so. I think that's how it's done. If somebody knows how to do it, please comment, because I have no idea. But I think it's right. There is water, and our shomai. Honey, she needs to have tummy time. I had few minutes tummy times, and this with contrast card, and then we will feed her. I have a fast unboxing.
What's unboxing?
Look what I bought.
Wala ko ba nagluluto ka? Ba't na-unboxing ka pa?
Kasi narinig ko may Shopee. Yan.
Mas inuna pa ng mama mo yung unboxing.
Oh my god, that's so cute. It's big. Oh, very cute. From Shopee. Nice tela, just nibla ba?
Para kanina yan.
Para sa'yo.
Huh?
Siyempre para sa kay baby, Rania. That's so cute. Many.
Tummy time. I will tell you a story.
So that it's not when she burp, it's not on the side. That's why I like it, because it's big on the side.
Once upon a time, there was a father.
3 in 1? Tummy times you're doing, reading a book,
Yeah.
and also contrast cards.
Why?
Too much maybe activities for one session?
No, para kunwari, kinakausap ko siya.
Sige, basahin mo libro sa kanya.
Ano? Siyempre, para masanay na siya na multitask, di ba? Matay pa yan. O di, 4 na.